Welcome to part 3 of Toning the Chakras. In this video, we're going to work with sound, colour, breath, and add in some amazing, self-empowering affirmations. Each chakra has its own association to aspects of our life and our emotions. In this video, I'll introduce you to each chakra, and then we will self-empower through a simple affirmation as we breathe colour, light, and then tone the chakra with 2 breaths. So just making sure that you're sitting straight, supported, and that you are setting the intention to really charge up, supercharge all your chakras. So taking the attention first of all to the root center and breathing in red light there. And the root center is associated with stability and grounding and safety. So the affirmation, I am safe and I take responsibility for my life. I am safe and I take responsibility for my life. Taking a deep breath and sending the sound to the root center. Now taking the attention to the sacral center and breathing in orange light there. The sacral is associated with sexuality and emotions and feelings and relationships. I'm a sensual and sexual being, and I embrace all my emotions. I am a sensual and sexual being, and I embrace all my emotions. Taking a deep breath, the sound is ooh. Taking the attention to the solar plexus, breathing in the color yellow, and it's associated with power, vitality, and self-esteem. And the affirmation, I am confident and strong, and I accept myself just as I am. I am confident and strong and accept myself just as I am. now taking the attention to the heart center, visualizing it filling with green light and green breath. And the heart is associated with love, compassion, friendship, and forgiveness. And the affirmation: my heart is open to give and receive love. My heart is open to give and receive love. The sound is ah. Taking a deep breath. Now taking the attention to the throat center and opening the throat with beautiful blue light. And the throat is associated with clear communication and creative expression. And the affirmation: I communicate my truth from my heart. And the sound is I or I. And now the attention at the brow center, stimulating the pineal gland, opening the third eye, breathing in beautiful sparkling indigo light. And the brow center is associated with our psychic perception and our imagination. And the affirmation: I am awake and conscious of my divine nature. I am awake and conscious of my divine nature. And the sound is A, scooping your tongue to send that sound through the palate. Taking a deep breath. And now taking the attention to the crown center, filling it with gold light, white, silver or violet light. And the association is awareness, wisdom, and pure consciousness. And the affirmation, I unfold into cosmic consciousness. I unfold into cosmic consciousness. And the sound is a high E, taking a deep breath and sending it up to the crown. Just sitting for a moment, observing the body with its color, light, breath, sound, and affirmations. Thank you everyone for listening and watching. Do practice and participate. And in the next video, I'll miss out all the instruction and we'll just go straight through the toning with humming. Please do check out my podcast, Frequency and Lifestyle.